Hello everyone, Ollie the repair dude is here again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Tsunami USB boot issues. As you can see, I have a laptop which have the boot issue on Tsunami USB. Let's demonstrate the problem. Turn on the computer and access the BIOS. The boot menu. Go to UEFI Sony Storage Media. Boot Mac OS install from Tsunami. Allow it to boot. Now it gets stuck on some errors sooner or later. I get this error about server only ran for 0 seconds, pushy respawn out by 10 seconds, and it got stuck on the error. Let's go to the fix.
Okay, let's go to the fix. The first thing to do is to mount the EFI partition of the Tsunami USB. To do this, go to search on Windows, then disk part. After which, type in list disk. Select your USB drive. For me, select disk 2. Then list volume. Select the volume with the label boot Intel. For my case is select volume 2. Finally, enter the word assign letter G or whatever drive letter you want to use. Enter, and you should mount the EFI partition. Close this part. Go to Explorer. Close the autoplay. Go to this PC. Go to boot Intel. As you can see, I can open the EFI partition. The next step is to search the EFI folder for your computer model or your laptop model. Make sure it is the Clover one. Go to Google. Search brand, model of your laptop or computer, EFI folder, GitHub. Search like this format. For my case, is ASUS UX32VD EFI folder GitHub. I'll go to rookies ASUS UX32VD Hackintosh one. Check the EFI folder. Make sure it's Clover, not OpenCore. This is a suitable one for my device. Go to code, click download zip. Allow it to download. Open the zip file. Close the browser. Go back to the EFI partition of the Tsunami USB. Go to EFI, Clover. Rename the following folder and files. Rename ACPI as ACPI_back. Rename CAX as CAXes_back. And finally, rename config as config_back. Now, open the folder, the EFI folder, Clover. Copy the following files and folder, which is the ACPI folder, CAX folder, finally the config.plist. Now check the CAX folder, go to CAX other, check the kex folder to see whether you got the PS2 related thingy. Go back to Clover, go back to kex_back, go to other, copy voodoo PS2 controller.kex to fix the keyboard issues. Go back to Clover folder, go back to kex folder, go to others, paste the file you just copied, which is the folder you just copied, which is the voodoo PS2 controller.kex, and delete Apple PS2 smart touchpad.kex to prevent conflicts which will make it not boot. Then delete unnecessary characters like the BRCM Bluetooth injector, we don't need that. And Broadcom Wi-Fi.kex, we don't need that as well, delete that. Also delete Voodoo HDA.kex as we don't need sound, we just need the essentials. And finally, Airport BRCM fixup.kex. Basically delete sound and network kexes, we don't need that as it may slow down the booting process and we do not need it in Tsun4m1USB, the current version. Only need is Voodoo PS2 controller.kex and whichever essential kex needed for it to boot. Go back to Clover. Now the final part is to fix the themes. Go to config.plist, right click, edit with Notepad++. Please do install Notepad++ if you have not done so. Open in Notepad++, find, search, find theme. Rename the theme to Tsunami. Then save, just for the awesome Tsunami theme in the boot menu. Close the find, close the config.plist. Once you finish saving, press Ctrl save or file, save. I already saved the file, so I'll close the config.plist. Now time for me to close everything and boot up via Tsun4m1USB to test.
Okay, I already turned off the computer. Once I applied the fix to the Tsun4m1USB, let's boot up the computer with Tsun4m1USB. Turn on the computer, enter the BIOS boot menu, go to UEFI Sony Storage Media 010.0, the Tsun4m1USB theme, boot macOS install from Tsun4m. Let it boot. Will it boot? Let's find out. By the way, if your trackpad is not working, use a USB mouse. Click continue. Go to utilities, terminal. I'll be jailbreaking an iPhone 6 just to test whether my modification works. 102 for the check range 0.10.2. Connect my device, my iPhone 6. Let's jailbreak my iPhone 6. Okay, the jailbreak works fine. That means the USB is working for the Tsun4m1USB. I really hope you enjoy my tutorial. Please do share, comment and like my video. Please do subscribe to my channel and please do donate. The link to donate is in the description below, and see you in the next video.